Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make fried catfish in your air fryer today. The air fryer that I will be using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. Keep in mind, if you have a different air fryer, the cooking time may vary. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have 2 catfish fillets here that I just took out of the refrigerator. They have been soaking in milk for a good 30 minutes. The reason why I soaked it in milk is the milk helps get rid of any fishy smell. You can totally skip this step if you want to. I am not going to use an egg wash before I bread it. I'm just going to take it straight out of the milk and put it into my breading. If you want to use an egg wash or dip it in milk, go right ahead. Or if you want, just put it straight into your breading. The breading I'm using today is a Louisiana, New Orleans style fish fry. I'm going to go ahead and take one of my fillets out. Drip off any excess milk. Put it straight into my batter. Get this all breaded real good. I like to get into them little crevices as best as I can. Now that we have these all breaded, I'm going to spritz these a little bit with olive oil. Now we're ready to go ahead and put our fillets into the air fryer basket. Okay, we are going to start out on 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. I went ahead and flipped these over. I see no need to spray this side with olive oil because it looks fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put these back in. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now on 400 degrees for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up on the other side and these are ready. Okay, I just plated one of these up and it is nice and crispy. Hey everyone, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload videos weekly. I have a lot of air frying video ideas coming up. Okay everyone, thanks again for watching and I will see you soon.